My entire life I love sports, and I think I grew up understanding that sports announcing was a possibility, but I didn't have this in high school. And so to come to college and immediately have the opportunity to call games, to get on the camera, to be able to direct or do replay, it was pretty special. As I've done that, I've just recognized that storytelling is a huge part of it because everybody out there deserves an opportunity to be heard.
It's definitely prepared me. I definitely learned more camera skills. I've never really worked a camera before, and now I know how to set one up and actually use it. I've worked a little bit with video boards, so now I know a little bit of how things get shown to the audience. Learning more, technical skills that I never had before, and definitely also learning how to work with others and collaborate with my peers.
LHSN is so special because it's a community of student athletes who are calling games or working for other student athletes, and that's just the community that Lynchburg is invested in from the jump.
Prepping for the games and meeting new people, I've definitely made new relationships and friendships that I never expected I would get, and I'm glad that I joined senior year. I wish I did it all 4 years, but I'm glad I found it when I did.
You've got to be able to lift other people up in the process. And I think here at Lynchburg, with those smaller classes, you might go to the dining hall and pass the basketball coach and the starting goalkeeper and the sports information director all in one. That's what's so special, is that if you love those relationships and fostering your future, this is the place to be.